Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cakes by Anna. I'm Serena and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a Christmas special sweet which is coconut ice. This recipe is so easy with very few ingredients that are easily available. Not just this, but this recipe is so delicious that once you have it, you're surely gonna ask for more. So before starting this video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new recipe. And now let's get started. So for this recipe, you require 2 cups of desiccated coconut, 1 cup of icing sugar, 2/3 cup of condensed milk, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and few drops of food colors. You can use either gel or liquid food colors. And like always, the link for the written recipe is given in the description box below. You can go and check that out. In a large bowl, mix together the desiccated coconut and the icing sugar. This recipe makes few. If you want them in large quantity, you can make double or triple of this recipe. Add in the condensed milk and the vanilla essence and mix it well. If your mixture is too dry, add some more condensed milk, and if it is too sticky, add some more desiccated coconut. Divide the batter into 2 or 3 parts. Usually people divide it into 2 and color one part with pink. Since it is for Christmas, I am dividing it into 3 parts and using all Christmas colors here. Add in few drops of food color and mix it well. Empty the mixture into a 6-inch square baking tin lined with parchment paper. Spread it evenly using a spatula. Refrigerate it for about 2 hours. Once the batter is out of the refrigerator, demold it and cut it into small pieces. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do give this recipe a try and comment down below how it turned out to be. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video.